All right, well, here is the final product, all put together. Give it a minute to warm up.
But hundreds of parents at the last 2 OC Board of Education meetings aren't convinced.
It's taking away the freedom of parents and of all people to be able to decide whether they want to have a genetically modifying experimental drug put into their body.
Board President Dr. Ken Williams says the resolution helps ease concerns and clear up misinformation.
The insurance company that promised to protect you will offer to pay you as little as possible for your injuries and suffering. You're left alone with mounting medical bills, lost wages, and more. So if you want to be protected after you've been hurt in an accident, call Sweet James at 800-5...
¿Cómo te encuentras el día de hoy?
Bendecida como siempre, María, y feliz.
Programa con diferentes tipos. Unanimous Hall of Famer, there's no question about that.
Now, Pujols does want to keep playing, and the Angels still owe him $30 million season, so we could possibly see him in another uniforms. Yeah.
Coverage, Caps, you're listening.
아무튼 그 유언의 글들을 많이 여러분들이 발견.
Not much on this end.
경험했던 그.
Concerned are you about LeBron's health? The simple reason, Michael, that he came back, tried to give it a go. You know, now he's going to miss not just one.
1.6 million, at least with one dose. We still have a little more than 500,000 individuals to get to that 70% herd immunity.
Health officials in Orange County emphasizing they are...
Well, looking good.
Ecuador are also reporting a shortage of workers to help grow and package the flowers. Jennifer Jones-Lee, KFI News.
From the Southern California Toyota Dealers Traffic Center, we make it easy. We have a crash on the 101.
Good looking radio.
There's some good news here on
Polished
the
right
southbound
up.
side. Coming up on Fallbrook, a crash has just been cleared
Anyway,
to
thanks for
all
watching.
lanes and off of the